Good afternoon to one and all present here. Today I want to start the new topic. I would like to recap the previous topics. So our fourth unit becomes, I'm taking the reflection of beam as well as the backing of columns. I would like to recap the third units, thin cylinders as well as the thick cylinders. So that can be recapped. That's why we go with the fourth unit. So our students will be doing the recap activity to our students. Thank you.
Good morning, I am Yuva. Today we are going to present a topic, thin cylinder, thick cylinder. Cylinders are used in boilers, gas tanks, pipes, pressures and vessels, hydraulic machines. These are the main area where cylinders are used. Based on the cylinder thickness, cylinders are classified into two types, thin cylinder and thick cylinders. Cylinder diameter is small compared to the diameter is called as thin cylinder. If the wall thickness is large, then the inner thickness is called as thick cylinder. This classification is important because different stress calculated are measured based on the cylinder type. Thank you. Our teammate will continue the other topics with the Torsion.
Good morning. We are discussing about thin cylinders. So, a thin cylinder is a cylinder whose wall thickness is very small compared to diameter. Conditions for thin cylinder: T less than D by 2, T equal to thickness, D equal to diameter. In a thin cylinder, stress is uniformly distributed throughout the thickness. Two important stresses acting in thin cylinders. One is hoops and another one is longitudinal stress. Hoops is act around the circumference of the cylinder. Longitudinal stress is act along the length of the cylinder. Application of a thin cylinder: water pipes, steam boiler, air tanks and gas cylinders. Advantage of the thin cylinders: lightweight and economic, easy to manufacture, and also disadvantages of the thin cylinders: cannot withstand very high pressure, low strength and more deformation. Next, continued by Subin.
A thick cylinder is a cylinder whose wall thickness is comparatively large. Condition for thick cylinder: T greater than D by 20. In thick cylinders, stress is not uniform. Stress is maximum at inner surface and minimum at the outer surface. The cylinder formula cannot be used for thick cylinders because there is a lame equation are used. The first equation is radial stress. Sigma R equal to A minus B by R square. The circumference formula is sigma C equal to A plus B by R cube, where R equal to radius of the cylinder. Application of the cylinders are hydraulic pressures, gun barrels, high pressure vessels, hydraulic cylinders, and advantages of the cylinders are withstand pressure, strong and durable, suitable for heavy duty applications. The disadvantages of cylinders are heavy in weight, cost is high, and manufacturing is also very difficult. Now the next topic is explained by Tanushi.
Good afternoon. Difference between thin cylinder and thick cylinder. Thin cylinder, small thickness, uniform stresses, used for low pressure. Simple formulas used. Light in weight. In thick cylinder is large thickness, non-uniform stresses, used for high pressures. Lame's equation used. Heavy in weight. For examples of thin cylinder or water pipes and boilers. Example of thick cylinders are gun barrels and hydraulic cylinders. To conclude, thin and thick cylinder are important in mechanical engineering applications. Thin cylinders are for low pressure purpose, while thick cylinders are used for high pressure applications. Proper cylinders design ensures safety and efficiency in industries. Thank you.